Hey everyone, I'm Travis with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be guiding you how to turn these Unisub maple wood magnets into decorative items that can stand on a fridge or metal board with their natural look. So stick around as we customize this. If you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Now let's get started. Perhaps standard white sublimation magnets are too bland for your images. For whenever you feel the need to pair homely pictures or vintage style artwork with a wooden texture, Unisub definitely has you covered with their specially coated maple wood magnets. These will be just as easy to customize as the standard magnets and just as elegant when paired with the right image. And with the small 2¼ inch size of these items, you can press multiple Unisub wood magnets no problem, even with a small heat press. Although we'll be using the 15x15 inch Swing Away HPN Signature Pro in this video. But to start this project off, you'll first need to scale your images down to the size of the magnet. You can prepare them in 2½ inch squares that will provide for some extra bleed upon placing the magnets themselves onto the printed images. But if you have graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator, you can use a template for those particular magnets downloadable at heatpressnation.com. As this template includes 3 layers centered around the magnet size, you can copy them over to a new document of your paper size, duplicate them to fill enough of the document, and set their imprint and safety layers to 50% opacity. You may then import and scale down each of your images to each magnet's template bleed layer, each of which will be set as a clipping mask as you organize the images below the proper one. As soon as your images are ready, you may print your document through a sublimation printer. If you have a Sawgrass printer, send it to the Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings: substrate to MDF board, paper set to your paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and change the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid depending on your document's overall level of detail. To get the best colors out of your SG500 Sublimated UHD inks, we typically stick to vivid for our projects. But with all these settings in, go ahead and click print on SPM. Now that the transfer has been printed, we're ready to customize some Unisub wood magnets. Turn on your heat press and set it to 75 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Once your machine reaches temperature, cover the lower ply with a sheet of parchment paper, then add your transfer on top. Place each wood piece above the transfer's images with either side face down. Then attach them to your transfer with heat tape. Finally, flip the items with the paper facing up. Cover them with another parchment paper sheet and press. Once your timer hits 0, open your machine and allow the wood pieces to cool down for about 30 seconds. Afterwards, quickly peel each one off the transfer and they've now been sublimated. To finish them off, simply attach the included adhesive magnets to the back of each wood piece, and they're now ready to stick to a metal surface. If you're looking to share your own custom magnets with us alongside a large community of customization and heat transfer enthusiasts, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about Unisub magnets and other sublimation blanks, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, be sure to contact a My Expert representative at heat.press/support. I'm Travis with Heat Press Nation, and have a great day.